Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Jason Wehrli with WCFab. Today we have our second gen Ram 4-inch intake kit. All right, so here we have it. Long awaited, highly anticipated second gen air intake system for you 94 to 2002 Ram owners. Recently here, we bought a beautiful 2000 model year Ram 2500 and we got to work developing some new product. So first we have here is our 4-inch intake system. As I mentioned already, this is for the 94 to 02 model 12 valve and 24 valve trucks, and it is designed to fit with your OEM style HY and HX35 turbochargers on your OEM second gen style manifold. Now, I know we're going to get a ton of questions. What about my S300? What about this turbo? What about that manifold? It's very difficult because there are so many options out there in the marketplace for us to say that you're going to have a great, perfect WCFab quality fitment with every style turbocharger and manifold on the market. So what we have is our 4-inch mandrel bent intake pipe, heavy duty 14 gauge aluminum. We connect that intake pipe to the turbocharger with a high quality 5-ply silicone hump boot using stainless steel T-bolt clamps. Over on the fender of the passenger side on the Ram, we have designed a nice sheet metal style airbox. So we've got a removable lid with 4 Allen screws. This is all CNC laser cut and bent, designed in CAD. This is a very nice fitting, beautifully form-fitting product, and it bolts right to the fender well in the same spot as the OEM air intake system does. Now, one thing that is very common on these older second gen trucks is when you remove the OEM air intake box, the hardware in the fender well will commonly strip out, or the inserts will turn and you'll end up having to cut the hardware off. So what we've done is included a nice little install tool with a long bolt and 3 new riv nuts. So if the riv nuts on the inner fender well of your truck are stripped out, our intake system comes with new installation hardware so that you can install the nice new air intake box. Lastly, inside of that air box is our 4-inch high flow air filter. This is a dry filter. It is meant to be blown out with compressed air on a regular basis to get any loose debris out of it. It is not meant to be a washable, reusable unit. They are dry throwaway style units. On the outside of the air filter, all of our intake kits come with our hydrophobic outerwears pre-filter cover. This is a water repellent filter cover, which is washable, and it helps keep the large debris out of the pleats of the filter, extending the service life of your air filter. So last but not least on our intake system is of course our industry standard, high quality, very well known powder coat finish. So everything here at WCFab is powder coated in our in-house state-of-the-art powder coat facility. This product here is shown in our very popular WCFab Red. We've got over 25 standard colors to pick from in our drop-down option list, and you can choose for an additional upcharge and extended wait time any custom color you may choose. So we're really excited to bring some second-gen product to the market. We've had a ton of requests over the years for these older trucks to get some WCFab goodies. Coming down the line soon, we've got intercooler pipe systems, turbo kits, coolant pipes, and several other cool upgrades for the second-gen platform. So if you got any other questions about our air intake kit for the 24 valve and 12 valve second-gen trucks, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to our sales team and we would be happy to help. Thanks a lot for watching.